We got it done. It was a hassle.
Alright, so we're starting today's vlog with Nico's ass. Why are you smiling at me? Alright, let's lock in here. So today we're gonna be putting on Kalen's bumper. Or diffuser, sorry. Diffuser.
I need a new plate cover though.
I did.
My fitment is so good though.
You're like,
My front fitment. Look at it from here. That front fitment is just so.
the front is good, but the back needs like is a little bit like, yeah. Well, I could fit like 3 fingers.
Well, I mean the rear is.
Could fit like 3 fingers, and that's good, but it's like a monster truck back here.
Stop.
Well, imagine he lowered his.
Bro, that would be. You guys should lower your cars.
Should we lower our cars, Talon?
Huh?
Should we lower our cars?
I generally don't think I'm gonna lower it, but I'm gonna get 12mm spacers in the front and 15 in the back.
Dude, it is a little chilly.
Fucking cold.
That's actually very creative of you. You can't really see though. It's just a preview.
It's not. They're.
Are they Phillips or not?
Nah, they're not Phillips.
What is it?
You need like a wrench. Like a tiny wrench. Hey!
Take a picture.
Huh?
So that he knows.
So down here, it looks like it has like you're probably gonna need like a wrench or like I forget what this is called, but it's like
Oh, I understand. It's like an L usually.
it's not an L. It's like the square. It's like hexagon that you need to like use a.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's so fucking cold. Whose idea was this?
Tell them it was yours, bro.
Yeah, but like, oh my god.
It's freezing, bro.
I'm trying to see if the shit is welded on or not. It doesn't look welded.
So then how would it, is there a clamp you see or no? If there's no clamp, it has to be welded because.
I guess we'll see once we take the diffuser off. Because it's like,
No, it's actually not usually like.
I think one of these would fit. One of these?
This is literally the background. What the fuck is that? What's going on up there? Why do you have an IV bag in here? Where?
It's for moisture, bro.
Yes, I'm sure you live in the house.
So we don't get mold and stuff. And we don't just move that out. Look the way he's laying.
Yeah, why are you laying like that? Your ass is like ready to get side fucked.
Bro, you're to the from my camera.
He's like spooning somebody.
How's the first day of Ramadan going for you guys?
It's not the first day.
Huh?
Not today.
You guys are liars, bro.
Who said
Bro,
that?
they told me yesterday today was the first day of Ramadan.
We were saying that because you got up, like you slept, and you got up like at 2 o'clock to eat something. It's like that's why we were saying
I
that.
think it's like 2 weeks.
Yeah, because he slept the whole time and he woke up towards the end and just started eating. And we're like, oh, he's fasting tomorrow. Don't leave him alone, guys.
It's only 1, 2, 3. It's not even that many bolts.
The thing though, you might have to.
That's why I gotta go to an angle, bro.
What happened?
He has his mouth like right underneath where the screw is coming out, so that all the gunk is coming into his face.
Fucking disgusting.
Gotta get the outsides.
Here, let me sub in.
Huh?
Let me sub in.
Alright, get the outside.
Nico, you're next.
Rub it in.
You're subbing in.
it's like salted under this.
Well, the thing is, I just got a car wash 2 days ago.
Did you do your undercarriage?
I got the premium one, like the
Where it blasts. Pause.
like where they do like the graphene polish and stuff.
So far, we got like 4 of them out. Kalen's going at it with the pry tool. We got the 4 main ones out over here.
You could try a butter knife, dude. It's nice.
I got it. And now he's just prying out the one that
trying
needs
to
to
break
pry
it
out. He's finally taking his turn down under. Oh,
The deflectors.
Those stay on.
No, I don't think so.
What do you mean?
I think they gotta. No, because I think they're clamped.
Oh, I had to take mine off.
We put them back on.
It's not moving at all.
Yeah, because it's like tabbed in there.
Hold up.
But anyway, is there any way you could just cut off just the tips that I have on now, like at the...
I couldn't, man. I have one guy and I'm juggling between the two cars that are in here.
All right, should I get the grinder out?
Oh, that's fire.
All right, so we got the back end off.
This is tough.
Bro, you're gonna actually bandsaw. You're gonna use the bandsaw.
Yo, look at that. Look at that.
Yo, you guys good over there?
Bro, you can't.
It's not fitting. You gotta finagle it.
No, I just don't want to push it in. We're just trying to figure out.
Damn, that shit look good.
We'll just hide under here, I guess. See you in the summer, bro.
Not bad, not bad.
Why'd you send me
What? Shit don't look too bad. You can't even tell.
Yo, disconnected you guys always do this shit, bro? What the fuck is this?
Oh my god.
The pump is cold, bro.
Oh, come on, bro. Bro, it's going
Water bottle? No?
0.10. Shit looks good though. Not gonna lie. This is the finished product, guys. We had to do some modifications to the bumper in order to fit it in, but we got it done. It was a hassle. $3?
We gotta board a bar. Where are we going? We're going like two nights. We're bringing Spiel home.
Downshift it, bro.
I'm leaning, bro.
Downshift it first.
Are you in sport?
Yeah. Now hold that.
Get next to him.
He sees the diffuser. He's like, nah, that's like 600 bucks.
Hey, bro, I'm fucking doing this shit. You guys are so annoying. That boy, you probably don't even know him.
Oh shit! Yo, you gapped him!
Slow it down. Slow down, yo.
Yo, chill! What? What is going on?
Yo, look, he just got his ass whooped. Why was he trying? He was only pushing it for like 2 seconds.
Nah, you still got him though.
And park?
No, neutral.
Holy shit. His moan's louder than their car. Do we get it now?
You genuinely didn't hear that in front of your,
Cops.
in front of your house?
Where's the cop?
Like that,
Where's the
bro?
cop?
Ain't no cop. I'll tell you.
Just fucking. Successfully, kind of put the.
Diffuser's on. Good night.
Chad, what do you think of this? Where's bro gonna go? Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going?